Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to make a PDF file on mobile. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your Photos app. This is where all your images are stored so you can easily pick any image you want to convert. Honestly, most people don't realize you can create PDFs directly from here. So, just open Photos and get ready to select your image. Now choose the image that you want to turn into a PDF file. It can be a document, screenshot, or any picture. Just tap on it to open it fully. Make sure it's the correct image because this is what will be converted into your PDF. Once your image is open, look at the bottom left side and you'll see the share icon. Tap on it and this will open multiple options for sharing and saving your file. This step is really important because it's where the conversion process actually starts. After tapping the share icon, scroll down a little and you'll see different options. Among them, find and tap on Save to Files. This option allows you to store your image as a document, which will automatically convert it into a PDF format. Now you'll see a new screen where you can choose where to save your file. Just look at the top right corner and tap on Save. As soon as you do this, your image will be converted into a PDF and saved in your Files app. It's that easy. No extra steps needed. Finally, if you want to check your PDF, just open the Files app and find the saved document. You'll see that your image is now a proper PDF file. You can share it, send it, or use it anywhere you want. So that's how you can easily create a PDF file on your mobile in just a few simple steps. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this.